Here are 15 healthy foods high in one or more B vitamins. 1. Salmon. Salmon is high in riboflavin, niacin, B6 and B12, as well as a good source of thiamine and pantothenic acid. Additionally, it's low in mercury and high in omega-3 fats and protein. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, especially spinach, collards, turnip greens and romaine lettuce, are among the best vegetable sources of folate. Enjoy them raw or steam them briefly to retain the most folate. 3. Liver and other organ meats. Organ meats, particularly liver, are high in most B vitamins. To make liver more palatable, grind it with common cuts of meat or use it in highly seasoned food. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a top source of biotin, second only to liver. They supply 1/3 of the RDI for biotin per one whole cooked egg. 5. Milk. Milk and other dairy products pack about a third of your daily riboflavin requirement in just 1 cup, 240 ml. Milk is also a good source of well-absorbed B12. 6. Beef. Beef boasts high amounts of B3, B6 and B12. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram serving supplies about a third of the RDI for each of these vitamins, in addition to smaller amounts of other B vitamins. 7. Oysters, clams, and mussels. Oysters, clams, and mussels each supply at least 4 times the RDI for vitamin B12 per serving. They're also high in riboflavin and provide smaller amounts of thiamine, niacin, and folate. 8. Legumes. Most legumes, such as pinto beans, black beans, and lentils, are high in folate, a B vitamin important for reducing the risk of certain birth defects. 9. Chicken and turkey. Chicken and turkey, especially the white meat portions, are high in B3 and B6. Poultry also supplies smaller amounts of riboflavin, pantothenic acid and cobalamin. Most of the nutrients are in the meat, not the skin. 10. Yogurt. Yogurt is naturally high in B2 and B12, but non-dairy yogurt alternatives are good sources of these vitamins unless they're fortified. Limit your intake of sugar-sweetened yogurt. 11. Nutritional and brewer's yeast. Nutritional yeast and brewer's yeast pack a high amount of B vitamins, but a significant portion of the vitamins in nutritional yeast, including B12, are added. These products can be used to add flavor or nutrients to other foods. 12. Pork. Pork is especially high in thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and B6. Pork loin cuts are much leaner and lower in calories than shoulder cuts, spare ribs, and bacon. 13. Fortified cereal. Breakfast cereals often have added thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folic acid, B6, and B12. Some contain up to 100% of the RDI for these vitamins. Still, it's important to choose cereals made with whole grains and minimal sugar. 14. Trout. Trout is high in thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, and vitamin B12. It also contains ample protein and omega-3 fats. 15. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds and their butter are among the highest plant sources of pantothenic acid, a B vitamin found only in small amounts in most foods. Many foods provide B vitamins, but to be considered high in a vitamin, a food must contain at least 20% of the reference daily intake, RDI, per serving. Alternatively, a food that contains 10-19% of the RDI is considered a good source. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.